The bird world. Look at this colorful illustration. It seems cute and harmless, but behind those feathers and dead eyes hide the most ruthless survival instincts on the planet. The bird world is not peaceful. There are hunters that kill with one fatal kick, and silent ghosts that turn the night into a slaughterhouse. Today, we unmask that world. Look into the eyes of the cassowary, a living descendant of the dinosaurs. This flightless monster stands 6 feet tall, wears a hard helmet-like casque, and carries 3 razor-sharp claws. The middle claw alone is up to 10 centimeters long. One powerful kick can slice flesh, break bones, and rip open human intestines in a split second. It is called the most dangerous bird on Earth, the ruthless ruler of the rainforest. Next is the shoebill, nightmare of the swamp. Its giant clog-shaped bill looks prehistoric. With dead, patient eyes, it stands motionless like a statue for hours, waiting. Then it strikes, clamping down and swallowing a baby crocodile whole. Its massive bill crushes and swallows prey almost as large as itself without hesitation. Now enter the night. The horned owl rules the darkness. Special ear structures, a facial disc that funnels every sound, and completely silent feathers turn it into an invisible ghost. You will never hear its wings. Glowing yellow eyes are the last light its prey will ever see. It is the perfect silent killer of the night. Think daytime is safer? Meet the secretary bird, martial arts queen of the savannah. It does not rely on flight. Instead, it delivers lightning-fast kicks that smash the heads of the world's most venomous snakes. One strike packs 5 to 6 times its body weight, about 195 newtons, and crushes a snake's spine in under 15 milliseconds. Precision, power, and deadly accuracy. Why include the bright oriole or the tiny budgerger? Because beauty and small size are nature's greatest illusion. In this ruthless ecosystem, their agility and song hide a constant fight for survival. Every second, they struggle not to become a meal for the strong. From prehistoric killing machines to silent night hunters and deceptively small survivors, every bird is a masterpiece of evolution. These are not just pretty pictures. They are ultimate survival machines shaped by hundreds of millions of years of hunting, dodging, and outsmarting death. Which creature impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next episode. See you in the next video.
Hẹn gặp lại các bạn trong video tiếp theo.